Welcome back to our channel, where learning meets excitement. The next important topic is the working of the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly held its first meeting on December 9, 1946. Later, the Muslim League boycotted the meeting and insisted on a separate state of Pakistan. The meeting was, thus, attended by only 211 members. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha, the oldest member, was elected as the temporary president of the Assembly, following the French practice. Later, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of the Assembly. Similarly, both H. C. Mukherjee and V. T. Krishnamachari were elected as the vice presidents of the Assembly. In other words, the Assembly had two vice presidents. Jawaharlal Nehru moved the Historic Objectives Resolution in the Assembly on December 13, 1946. Later, the Indian Independence Act of 1947 made few changes in the position of the Assembly. In addition to the making of the Constitution and enacting of ordinary laws, the Constituent Assembly also performed the following functions. 1. It ratified the India's membership of the Commonwealth in May 1949. 2. It adopted the national flag on July 22, 1947. 3. It adopted the national anthem on January 24, 1950. 4. It adopted the national song on January 24, 1950. 5. It elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first President of India on January 24, 1950. In all, the Constituent Assembly had 11 sessions over 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The constitution makers had gone through the constitutions of about 60 countries, and the draft constitution was considered for 114 days. The total expenditure incurred on making the constitution amounted to 64 lakh Indian rupees. On January 24, 1950, the Constituent Assembly held its final session. It however did not end, and continued as the Provisional Parliament of India from January 26, 1950, till the formation of new Parliament, after the first general elections in 1951-52. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.